I'm Dr. Martin from Martin's Rejuvenation Center. Today I'm talking about DermaFrac. DermaFrac. So derma is skin and fractional is short term for fractionated treatment. So let me go back to an anatomy lesson for a second. Here's your skin. This is the epidermis. Here's your dermis. And this is your subcutaneous tissue, which has muscles in it and blood vessels, connective tissue, right? And then down below that you have bone. So this is the area that I'm going to focus on right now. Think of the surface of the skin like an orange. The orange part of the orange is the epidermis. The white part that's underneath, that thick part, is the dermis. And the squishy stuff inside is subcutaneous tissue and muscle. The issue is that when people have an irregular skin surface, it's usually very superficial up here in the epidermis. However, it could be something that is extending down in here into the dermis. So, for example, let's say you have an acne scar. That's not just a surface problem. That's something that goes down deep below and it will often cause like a crater-ish looking thing. So anything that you do on the surface here is really not going to do much for your acne scarring. So let's think about that for a second. What we do in our clinic is microdermabrasion, which is much what it sounds. Micro, meaning just a little bit, of derm abrasion, meaning that you take the surface of the skin and just sort of clean that off so you sort of smooth it out on the surface. You know, it takes off the little edges and wrinkles. So that's microdermabrasion, wonderful treatment, takes off the surface layers, but it's very superficial. Okay? DermaFrac gives us a lot of options here. What it does, and I like to think of this similar to, you know when you aerate your lawn, and you go along and the machine comes along and it pokes all these little holes in your lawn and those little pieces of dirt come up and sit on your lawn, and then you run over it with fertilizer, right? And then you water it, and the whole thing grows up tighter and more lush. So keep that in mind when I'm talking here. DermaFrac is this little wheel. It's a physical wheel with pins on the end of it. Each wheel is individual for the patient. So I have my own little wheel downstairs that I can use for 3 treatments, I think. So we take this little wheel. It looks like a little pizza cutter, you know, and it goes along the surface of your skin, and it makes these little holes, just like aerating your lawn. It doesn't hurt. It's, I had it, and it does not hurt. It sounds like it should because it's little pins, but they're so tiny little pins that it doesn't hurt. So you roll these little pins along the surface of the face, and then once they've made the holes, then they put this infusion of anti-aging materials down the holes. Think of that as the fertilizer. So what you end up with is these holes that go down into your dermis, right? And then this little infusion fertilizer goes down in here, and what that does is it snugs up your dermis because it has been injured just a little, just enough to stimulate growth, and when it does grow, it grows tighter and stronger. So DermaFrac is often combined with microdermabrasion to get a tighter dermis going. And I think it's a great combination because you clean off the surface of your skin and then you get down below the surface and tighten up the collagen that lives down. This is where collagen lives in here, in the dermis. And so you stimulate it to tighten up and grow healthier. For microdermabrasion, the goal is to polish the outside of the orange. For DermaFrac, the goal is to make little teeny tiny pinholes in the orange and then put anti-aging properties through the pinholes. There is another way to do this, and that is a fractionated laser, which essentially does the same thing. What we're trying to do here, it's a mechanical thing. It's a physical wheel that makes the holes. If you decided instead to go with a fractionated laser, it does the same kind of idea, drilling these holes, but it does it with a laser beam rather than a mechanical pin. The difference being the laser form of it, it's better, but it's much more expensive. Whereas this DermaFrac is relatively affordable and it can accomplish a lot. So this right now is my treatment of choice. This is what I do. This is what I would recommend you do. It's completely different again from thermage, which applies heat to the dermis, but that's another topic.